We've all had plenty of cooking mishaps and tons of cleanup. That's why we've decided it was time to reinvent the pan. Introducing the all-in-one flagship pan with a revolutionary yoga lid. You ask, what's so special about it? Well, every single detail. Some you might not even notice, but they're still important. Features like the special capsulated bottom that gives the best heat distribution, or the rivet-free ergonomic handles that are easier to clean. We consulted with professional chefs and chose the ideal size that'll cover over 90% of your cooking. After all, your kitchen shouldn't look like a disaster every time you cook. We designed Flagship to replace most of the pans that are cluttering your kitchen. Yes, that includes fry pans. This pan is uniquely shaped to be a hybrid of a skillet and a Dutch oven. Basically, Flagship is all you need for a 3-course meal. You can bake, boil, drain, and stir-fry right in the same pan. The yoga lid is an invention by itself. It stands, locks, and hangs upside down. The slots don't just drain, they also release steam for crispier, tastier food. This lid doesn't drip grease. Here comes our favorite feature. The lid creates a transparent shield that protects you and your shirt from splatter. We know some like it hot. Hence the click-lock detachable handle. Covered with non-slip silicone, it never gets hot itself. And some like it healthy. That's why this pan easily converts to a steamer. Bottom line, it's made to be the most versatile cooking pan in your kitchen. Possibly the only one you'll ever need. Or two, if you prefer cooking a variety of dishes all at once. Developing Flagship, we were looking for the highest quality materials. This pan is manufactured from German-made stainless steel and will last a lifetime, as all of our Flagship products do. With thousands of rewards delivered, the prompt shipping is guaranteed. Thank you for supporting our campaigns. Now get ready for a better cooking experience and a mess-free kitchen.